Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will delve into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024. And now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has identified SoFi as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.29. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Investors who acted on our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 114.09% since we initially designated SoFi as a buy candidate 61 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.87% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a robust and rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 135.54% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 115.71% to 156.34%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 24.56% over the coming year, with a possible return between negative 41.05% and 31.03%. This translates to a price range between $9.23 and $20.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SoFi highlights that the stock price concluded at $15.65 on Thursday, following a decline of 4.11%. The SoFi stock price dropped by 4.11% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, falling from $16.32 to $15.65. During this trading session, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 3.71%, reaching a low of $15.62 and a high of $16.20. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 6 instances, showing a rise of 6.68% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume rose by 11 million shares on the last day, despite the decrease in prices, which may indicate an early warning signal and suggest a slight increase in risk in the coming days. In total, 50 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $778,580,000. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $16.61, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 5.78%, or 96 cents, below the 52-week high and 44.62%, or $12.61, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies Inc., trading under the ticker SOFI, continues to gain momentum. Recently, its share price has more than doubled, thanks to strong performance indicators and strategic partnerships. The company's earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 showcased a remarkable 30% year-over-year revenue increase and a significant turnaround to a net income of $61 million, demonstrating operational efficiency and renewed investor confidence. A favorable monetary environment further supports SoFi's growth outlook, positioning it favorably against peers like Revolut, particularly with a rapidly shrinking forward price-to-earnings ratio. As momentum investing reflects sustained interest, SoFi has joined the ranks of key stocks exhibiting bullish trends, alongside notable names like Tesla and Palantir. Analysts suggest that SOFI could potentially double in size in the upcoming years. The stock's strong performance, including a 47% surge in November, signals its growing acceptance in the financial technology sector. As more investors turn their attention to SOFI, a positive sentiment is likely to bolster its stock price further, impacting both short-term trading strategies and long-term investment perspectives as it solidifies its place as a significant player in fintech. Analyst ratings have been updated recently. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SOFI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Barclays also gave SOFI an equal weight rating along with a hold action. Moving to Tuesday, the 29th of October 2024, Jefferies reported a buy rating for SOFI with a hold action attached. On that same day, Goldman Sachs rated SOFI as neutral, also suggesting a hold action. Lastly, on Friday, the 18th of October 2024, Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SOFI stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SOFI. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and so far, it has fallen by 4.63%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Yesterday, the volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which might influence the near short-term development. The SOFI stock carries a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overarching buy signal for the stock, presenting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $15.97. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at around $13.06. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 38 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 62 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 48 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 65 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 70 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOFI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.11 and $13.01. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SOFI finds support just below today's level at $14.11. If this support is broken, the next levels based on accumulated volume will be at $13.01 and $11.81. This stock may experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating a high level of volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 580 cents between its high and low, which equates to 3.71%. Throughout the last week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SOFI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it may suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 4 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOFI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOFI is at $15.70. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this level might be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI faces its first support level at $14.11. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from various analyst sources indicates a sell recommendation. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by SLTAIV GP LLC, who bought and sold 26,351,251 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 77.638. In total, insiders purchased 7,141,260 shares and sold 52,866,462 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.02, which represents a decline of 4.04%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators show a negative trend, which we believe will impact the stock's performance over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, anticipating that the price will increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we expect SOFI to open at 173 cents and begin trading at $15.82. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.